I love this 74 Corvette Roadster, and I'll tell you why. Well, I don't need to tell you about the color. It's a gorgeous color. It's frame off restored. It's an L82. It's 4-speed, has cold air conditioning, it's numbers matching. It's a great car. You can find all the specs and pricing at volocars.com. That is our website where we always have a few hundred collector cars for sale. You'll find all the information there. Plenty of ways to contact us, shipping, financing, any questions you have. That's what we're good at. That's what we do, is sell these cars. We can put this car anywhere in the world. So let us know how we can help you. Let's take this one for a spin. Gorgeous. I mean, I use the expression, it's a mirror finish and laser straight. This one really, really is. It is just like blue metallic glass. The clear coat is polished so nice. There's not a ripple or flaw or crack anywhere that I could see. All the gaps are right on the money. Oh, there's a nick right here in the corner. All the gaps are super nice and flush and square. Even the rubber bumpers are pristine. No one's backed into them or bumped them. 74 is the only year with the split down the middle. New lenses, new chrome, new door handles, new mirrors, new window seals, new windshield, new weather strips. Door jambs are gorgeous. 15-inch wheels. All the trim is new and sparkly. Look here, new emblem. The lock is polished. The front nose always has damage right here. This bumper's mint. The car's gorgeous. Everything is lined up nice. Beautiful, beautiful paint and finish. And it doesn't stop on the outside. The interior of this car is completely redone. I mean, everything I looked at, the kick panels, the pillars, the dash pad, all the chrome bezels around the gauges, the chrome vents, the center console, door panels, handles, all mint. The mirror is new. Visors look new. The seats have been recushioned and upholstered. They're glove soft leather. The center armrest is leather. This has power windows. It has embroidered floor mats, all new carpet front to back. Tilt telescopic wheel. It's got an aftermarket stereo with an auxiliary plug. The stock deluxe wheel has been wrapped in leather. Has a black convertible top. This whole compartment's real nice and clean. Under the lid is painted real slick. New weather strip there. So, fantastic condition. I was sitting in this car yesterday, writing the description, 90 degrees out. I had ice cold air blowing on me while the car was sitting idling. So the air does work. It's got a newer compressor. It's been updated with R134 freon. Motor compartment is restored to stock. It has the complete cowl induction air cleaner. Air actually comes in through the cowl and is fed through there. It has the ignition shielding. The L82 is the performance engine of that time, and that included aluminum fin valve covers, which it has, all the stock manifolds, and everything looks proper. The fan, the shroud, the wiring, all looks great. Like I said, the body was off the frame, so the whole chassis, suspension, bushings, all been redone. The chassis was all painted black. Has a new upgraded fiberglass spring in the back. Real clean fiberglass floors. I didn't see any damage in the floors. So this car, as I inspected it yesterday, it got better the more I looked at it. It's one of those cars. And then to be a 4-speed with air and a roadster, and it's blue and it has an L82, it's got it going on. Power steering, power 4-wheel disc brakes, power windows, tilt telescopic wheel. Oh, the air is on right now. Air's blowing cold on my leg. The door jambs are actually glossy. Nice car. Got Hood insulation. Up front, the vacuum actuators for the headlights look new. Subscribe to our YouTube channel. We're putting several cars on a day. Really great stuff. This one here is certainly a great one. You can contact us through comments on the YouTube channel here, or you can go to volocars.com and all our information. You can email us, call us, but let us help you out. That's what we're here to help to do. Thanks for watching.